Common Persian or Farsi verbs with examples. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have another part of 5 common Persian verbs with examples. If you didn't watch the last parts, you can find the links in the description. By the way, I have started my online Persian classes. So if you want to take Persian classes with me, for more information, you can send a message on my Instagram or send me email at persian.by.asal@gmail.com. Okay, let's start the lesson. The first verb is ترساندن. 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 Present stem is ترسان and the past stem is ترساند. Example: تنها چیزی که مریمو میترسونه عنکبوته. تنها چیزی که مریمو میترسونه عنکبوته. تنها چیزی که مریمو میترسونه عنکبوته. Pay attention that I omit re sound in Maryam ro. I said Maryamu, Maryamu, because Maryam terminates in a consonant sound, Maryam. And when we add ra, which is in spoken Persian is ro, we omit the re sound and we say Maryamu. Another example. ببین منو نترسون وگرنه شب خوابم نمیبره. ببین منو نترسون وگرنه شب خوابم نمیبره. ببین منو نترسون وگرنه شب خوابم نمیبره. ببین used to emphasis on the sentence. Look, I'm warning you, something like that. Well guys, I have extra examples of these common verbs on my Patreon, so if you want to watch them, you can visit my Patreon and you can find the link in the description. Okay, let's move on. The second verb, به دنیا آوردن. به دنیا آوردن. به دنیا آوردن. This verb is a compound verb. In short, compound verbs are verbs that consist of 2 or more words and contain a simple verb. Here, the simple verb is آوردن. So the present stem is آور and the past stem is آورد. زهرا یه دختر خوشگل به دنیا آورده. It was آورده است, but in spoken Persian we usually omit است at the end of the verbs. آورده. زهرا یه دختر خوشگل به دنیا آورده. زهرا یه دختر خوشگل به دنیا آورده. Another pronunciation is آورده. به دنیا آورده. It is more common to say آورده. زهرا یه دختر خوشگل به دنیا آورده. Third verb is رفتن. 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 Present stem is رو. Past stem is رفت. Example: کجا میخوایم بریم؟ کجا میخوایم بریم؟ چرا اینقدر زود رفتند؟ چرا اینقدر زود رفتند؟ Note that in spoken Persian we usually omit the sound and it will be چرا اینقدر زود رفتن؟ چرا اینقدر زود رفتن؟ چرا اینقدر زود رفتن؟ وایسا نرو کارت دارم. وایسا نرو کارت دارم. وایسا نرو کارت دارم. کارت دارم is a very common sentence in spoken Persian and literally it means I have a work with you, but it doesn't make sense in English. So it means that I have a word with you. I want to tell you something. The fourth verb is خرید رفتن. خرید رفتن خرید رفتن خرید رفتن. Again, it's a compound verb. So, the present stem is and the past stem is رفت. هیچ وقت با آدم خسیس خرید نرو. هیچ وقت با آدم خسیس خرید نرو. هیچ وقت با آدم خسیس خرید نرو. And the last verb is داشتن. داشتن. Present stem is دار and the past stem is داشت. You know that making a past stem is very easy. You just drop the last n or the last noon and you have the past stem. But present stem is somehow challenging. Example. چقدر پول داری؟ من هیچی ندارم. چقدر پول داری؟ من هیچی ندارم. Here, من هیچی ندارم means I have nothing, but it means I don't have any money. I was talking about money, so when you hear that من هیچی ندارم, هیچی, nothing refers to money. Means من هیچی پول ندارم. I don't have any money. Another example. من یه سگ داشتم. اسمش تامی بود. من یه سگ داشتم. اسمش تامی بود. من یه سگ داشتم. اسمش تامی بود. Well guys, that was the 5 common Persian or Farsi verbs with examples, and I recommend you that make a sentence with these verbs and share them in comments. I will check all of your answers as soon as possible. And if you want to support Learn Persian with Asal channel, you can subscribe to channel, and also if you enjoy the video, you can like the videos. And if you want to support me more, you can join on my Patreon. Well, بوس به کلاتون. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.